You approached me in your kindness and you put your hand in mine. Your warm smile of understanding made my whole world start to shine. And still the brightness of your memory lights my mind. Well, we ran through the springtime, spilling laughter on the grass. But your freely given time, I always do, it never lasts. And all our happiness together is just a remnant of the time. But still the brightness of your memory lights my mind. It was always nighttime in my soul before you came. Feel the blackness of the void creep through my brain. What a change you made while you stayed. You turned my night to day. I'm so much brighter now that you've passed my way. Well, the shadows and the hollows have returned since you've been gone. And though they weigh upon me daily, still I know I can be strong. As we that you left me with inside the leaves on. And still the brightness of your memory lights my mind. Always nighttime in my soul before you came. I could feel the blackness of the void creep through my brain. What a change you made while you stayed. You turned my night to day. Your memories always take me here. I just thought you liked my way. Well, wherever you go and whatever you do, my heart will always be grateful to you for the moments that you did. You left me so completely new, and still the brightness of your memory lights my mind. Yes, still the brightness of your memory lights my mind. I feel so glad to be alive. Your memory lights my mind. I want to jump and shout and fly.